At first, go to the extension market, search ELIZA. Here we'll find the extension, install it. After installing it, you can easily use it by using Ctrl Shift P, open the command palette. You can see the AI chat, or you can also see that there is an icon in here. So I'm going to use the both. First, using command palette, using the AI chat. So here you can see the website has been loaded. Here you can switch between the websites. You can also use u.com, then DeepAI. If I want to use it from here, it will also open from here. So you can also switch between the services. Thank you.